everyone, welcome back. This is Michelle from the Love from Lizi design team. Today's video is to show you how to make 4 cards using the new Steamboat Willie kit. This is the May 2026 kit. Just so you know, I have a video on my channel which is called East Bay Stamp Chick, and I do show you how to make 4 cards on my channel. So you can check that out and you'll know how to do 8 cards with your kit, and even a little infinity shaker card. So lots of fun. This is a super cute kit. So let's dive right in and make some cards. So one of the themes in this kit is the stamp or postage theme. And I am using, if I can get this out here, the stitch nested postage dies from Love from Lizi on a few of my cards. This is a great item to use with the kit since there is a postage theme on several of the 6x6 pattern papers. There we go, there's our star. So let's assemble. I already have some things cut out. This is an A2 size card. I'm going to use this Mickey from the ephemera pack, and I want to back it so it's not see-through, and we're going to use yellow paper from the kit to back it. So I'm going to add some glue here, and that will make it even more like a stamp, because it will give it a backing, and then it won't be see-through, which is what I want for this particular card. All right, and then this piece right here, which has the postage theme, is going to go on to our postage die cut. And I used, sorry I jiggled the camera, I used the second one in, the second largest one to die cut. And this piece that I'm inserting, it's going to fit perfectly in between the stitched element on the die. It is 3 1/8 by 4 1/4, and I really like the way that fits. So you can see, really goes in there nicely. And then we're going to use more of the yellow paper behind it, so that way you'll be able to see the postage cut on the edge. And pop that on. This is a 4 by 5 1/4 piece, and then we're going to glue this on. Now you could definitely use some foam tape or squares if you wanted to pop up anything, but I'm going to make my cards pretty flat just so that way they're a little bit easier for mailing. And we're going to use our Mickey. I have the little Lifesaver ephemera and the Bon Voyage. Now this Bon Voyage I stamped from the stamp set that came in the kit and just fussy cut that out and used the Bon Voyage right there, or you could put all aboard. So we're going to do that today. So let's put some additional glue on here. I think what is so cute with this like Bon Voyage or all aboard theme is if you are going on a cruise, or maybe a friend of yours is going on a cruise, you can make some really cute little cruise cards for them or send them out to your friends. Okay. I like this little banner too. This is so cute. And then let's add these little stars. Let's see, let's do, I'm going to do the blue up here, and the red, and then this yellow one. Okay, and there is card number 1. All right. Card number 2. We're going to do another postage theme one with the Bon Voyage. And for the background, we're going to use this really fun knots, like nautical knots. And I cut it a little bit bigger this time. This is a 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 panel. So you're not going to see a whole lot of the white of the card showing. It's a really nice background piece. Also with this kit, there were a lot of really fun things you could get to add on, like specialty paper and additional 6x6 packs of paper that all coordinate. And that could really extend your card making, or if you like to do mini albums, this would be a really cute mini album to make as well in this theme. Okay, and that's going to go right on top. And so this one's a similar look to the other one, but I just thought, well, these will make some really fun cruise cards. And again, I used that stamp and just fussy cut. And this one, I was going to put, I think like this, kind of on the side a little bit. That way we can still see Mickey right there. Anchor, a lot of ephemera in her kit, so there's a lot of really fun images to choose from. And then this will go right on top. Right there. And then what I think would be really cute is another add-on piece is her stickers. And there's all these really cute yellow stars. So we can add those in as well. Oops, there we go. And this sticker sheet has them in several different sizes. I'm just going to put the largest star on here just for like pop of color. And there you go. Card number 2. All right, so now we're going to go away from the cruise boating theme and let's do some other looks here. We're going to utilize the film strip die that came in the kit, which is this one right here. And I'm using the paper from the add-on paper pack. This is the glossy black, which I love it because it really does make this look like a film strip. All right, so let's start assembling. Just got a big piece here, 4 by 5 1/4, I believe, of the 6x6 pattern paper with the black cardstock, which came in your kit to frame it. I like that these kits have so much cardstock. I never use all of it up because I just put everything on white for my card base, and then I use it for die cutting and accent pieces. And there's always so much. All right, we're going to add this film strip. I've got a Mickey. I also have, I cut another film strip out and I saved the inserts so those can go inside the film strip. Okay. So we can position, I think I like it that way, but I was thinking to maybe do a cross. Well, let's do it across. So we'll have to trim this a little bit. Okay. Let's see again. Yep. And I'm going to put it, yeah, right about there. And then I will put Mickey kind of over the edge. So that way the nice finished edge is the part that shows. So we're just going to dab some glue here. A couple of spots. Line that up to the side. And put that over. Make sure it's kind of straight. You could totally pop your Mickey up on foam if you want to. But I think we're going to keep it flat. I need to put just a little bit more glue on the edge to glue those down. There we go. So that way they lay flat. Okay, and then I am going to insert these. So this was another piece of pattern paper that came in the kit, and I just used the film strip die on it to get the squares. And that way I can just inlay those. And do we want to, maybe we cut one so we can inlay that, and then, yeah, that'll cover up that edge. Okay, and then let's get some glue on the Mickey Mouse. Center him kind of over that edge so that way it's not as noticeable. And then for the sentiment, I used the ticket stub die that came in the kit as well. Cut it out of the yellow paper that was in their kit, and I used an old stamp set from the Sending Sunshine kit, and I used the Sending Wishes for Your Birthday. So if you have that old kit, you have this stamp set that you could utilize, or maybe you just own that in your stash. But I thought the ticket stub was super cute with the film strip. And then I want to, let me get that to stick real good. I was going to add in these ephemera stars, but I think I'm going to use instead this sticker sheet. This is part of an add-on as well, and I just think the yellow will help with pick up the yellow from the ticket and kind of tie that in. And that will give us a little bit more accents on here with the yellow. Okay. So there we go. There is our third card. And lastly, our fourth card. This card is going to be different also. To make this card, I did use, let me grab this here. This is the Stitched Arch Nested Dies. And I think I used this one right here to cut out a window. I stamped on the sun from the ephemera, and it says, "You fill my day," and then I used "You fill my day with sunshine." And again, the sunshine is from this set right here. So you can either use the stamp and you can cut out just the stamp, or I used this one right here with some gold glitter cardstock left over from another Love from Lizi kit, which I think it was a Sleepy Seas kit, and use that to cut the letters and then cut the shadow out. And so now it's not a cruise card, it's not a birthday card, it's just a "You Fill My Day with Sunshine" card. I'm going to add a little glue around this edge. So I can Add that in. Now you could, you know, use like some foam tape if you want some dimension in between the two. But like I said, I'm kind of keeping these flatter for mailing. And then let's glue this. Let's adhere it to our panel. We've got that nice bright yellow here, since we're talking sunshine. So this star piece is 4 by 5 1/4, and then the yellow piece is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 to give just a little bit of a yellow edge around that. And of course you could always make it a different size if you want more to show. And then we're going to put this right up here with our Mickey. Make sure we get the words straight. Here's our die cut. And then our Mickey Mouse is going to go right there, I think. And because I used a lot of blue in the background of this card, I chose the Mickey that has the red shorts, so it would stand out a little bit. And there we go. So now we have 4 cards. All right, and I will have down below my affiliate link, which is no extra cost to you, but that will take you to the Love from Lizi website, so you can check out all that she has to offer for this kit. There are additional add-on pieces you can get. You can buy the kit on its own or do a subscription, so you get a kit every month. But her kits are loaded with lots of goodies, and they're super fun. And then I'll have a link back to my channel so you can see how to make the other 4 cards that I made. All right, thanks so much for joining me and spending some time with me, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the Love from Lizi channel so you get all the inspiration right in your newsfeed. All right, have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.